Those are good. Yay me. Sourdough bagel bites. I'm gonna spread this out into the best rectangle I can. Now I'm gonna try to separate it into 24 pieces, as even as possible. You're gonna make it into a dough ball. I'm just gonna pinch it together like that. You're gonna do that with all 24 pieces. And actually, I think I have 28. I do wanna add, my dough is a little sticky, but it's gonna bake just fine. Once you have them all rolled out into balls, you're gonna take each one, you're gonna stick your finger through it and make the bagel shape. Stick it on a sheet of parchment paper. I'm gonna put 4 on each. I have 2 trays. The holes do not need to be real defined because they're gonna be bagel bites, so we're gonna be topping them. So cover your trays with plastic wrap and let them sit for 1 hour. You're gonna drop them into boiling water. I'm gonna do 4 at a time for 30 seconds on each side. I have a parchment lined cookie sheet ready to go for when they come out. Strain it as good as you can. And we're gonna do that to all of them. I have my oven set to 425 degrees. I'm gonna put them in the oven uncovered. I'll let you know for how long. These baked at 425 for 20 minutes and they look perfect. I'm gonna let them cool and then we're gonna turn them into bagel bites. They've been cooling for about an hour. Let's cut into them. They look good. So I'm gonna cut these all in half and put them back on that parchment lined cookie sheet. And then we'll top them. I'm gonna put pizza sauce on each one. And then top with some pepperoni. And some mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna get these all done and I'll be back. They're going in a 400-degree oven, uncovered, for about 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is browned. They baked at 400 degrees for 13 minutes. Pepperoni and cheese. It's gonna be hot.